Well, following reports of potential ethical violations by Supreme Court justices in recent months, a Senate committee held a hearing on judicial ethics, but members were split on whether this is a congressional issue or not. WENY Washington correspondent Rachel Knapp joins us live from the U.S. Capitol, or the U.S. Supreme Court, this evening. Good evening, Rachel.
Good evening, Renata. So last month, ProPublica reported that Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas received free trips from a Republican megadonor. Some say this is a potential violation of ethics and disclosure requirements. This has also brought fresh attention to judicial ethics. Now, the American Bar Association says while the Supreme Court Justice must adhere to some ethical requirements set by federal statute, they are not bound by any rules that include the full sweep of basic ethical principles that apply to other judges. The ABA says an independent judiciary is the cornerstone of the rule of law in our constitutional republic. But they go on to say the absence of a clearly articulated binding code of ethics for the justices of the court imperils the legitimacy of the court. The recent Senate hearing focused on how the Judicial Conference of the United States, which serves as a policymaking body for federal courts, looked at the possible financial ethics violations by Justice Thomas and what their process is. Democrats have argued that Justice Thomas's potential violations show that Congress needs to step in and create an ethics outline for the highest court. Democrats say the Senate hearing on the Judicial Conference is necessary because the Judicial Conference is a statutory body and the Ethics in Government Act is a federal statute. However, Republicans accuse Democrats of attacking the court.
The Judicial Conference has a committee on financial disclosure. Our request about the recent Thomas allegations was sent there. I've urged that committee to act with dispatch and to provide us information to understand how the process is handled.
This is a continued effort to undermine a United States Supreme Court that isn't ruling the way that some of my Democratic colleagues want.
Renata, a couple weeks ago, Chief Justice John Roberts declined to testify before the Senate Judiciary Committee, but the Chief Justice sent a letter to senators saying that justices seek to abide by the code of conduct followed by the lower courts. He insisted that the existing rules around gifts, travel, and other financial disclosures are enough. Renata, back to you.